More wipes? That's good.
Perfume baby wipes.
Okay.
I'm gonna practice.
So guys, the baby stuff arriving, as you can see. These are wipes right here.
More wipes now? Oh.
Iko nataka zikuwe diapers.
Yeah.
Diapers.
So baby, tena tuseme pesa. Tengeneze manani.
Money. Tutakuwa na fula. No, we're not doing that. You are so tiny. You're so tiny.
Currency. Every 2 hours. I'm about to get a new one.
If you're out there. And we have more stuff here. Like we have these. Pet chicken. Ew. We have some blankets.
I'm gonna leave for that 1 week.
We have some more stuff in the room that people got us.
That's fire.
Good.
Guess what this is for?
Let me see which one.
Kama you get sick, kunyesha dawa through this.
That's good.
Yeah.
Weni.
Win, go off. Off. Go in kitchen.
Achana na Winnie hata end.
Kitchen. Yeah, hii ya kunyesha dawa. So dawa isikuwe na ile yavi nani. Very good. Okay. Our onesies.
Those are cute. It looks like a little blanket or something.
Oh, blanket.
Be home.
Oh, this. I want to need like
Si tuko na bibe tulinani. Ooh, I like this one.
Dada. I'm hungry.
They're not gonna atakuwa anaongea pale.
Atakuwa anatuambia kama analia tu na sasa hivi anataka kama.
Ooh, you left some stuff in your hair. Ni ile ana. Yeah. Do this. Mukicho. Winnie.
Go in the kitchen.
Nini. Look at you.
Oh. Kama uko mkutano kanisa ndio hapo. I ensure I get the high quality one. Love. And here in the corner. waza.
Cool. You can take that everywhere, basic. Yeah. Hanzo. Blanket. Oh, those are cute. Oh, there's more stuff in here. And these are onesies. Onesies. I'm a dream come true. Yes, you are. Nini needs onesies. Okay. Yeah, the Busafi kit, the kit, yeah, grooming kit or something. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh. A little brush. That is so cute.
What's this?
Really, I don't know. We're all new to this.
Toma kucha wao unalobaka akikuuliza hivi au Yesu anajiuliza kwa hiyo.
Wait, makapasi.
Takona pia ile ya mama pia.
Na kinywa. Don't know, but I think in ya nani. I'm assuming so. Teeth?
Brush ile magamu yake, I guess, because they don't have teeth,
Utamkata nywele? Atakuwa nakata kipara. Yeah, something, I know what it is. But this is a good, itakuwa useful. It's gonna be useful. Yeah. Oh. Nilikuwa nishakaitia munani. Mattress.
Yeah,
nakuwa nani. Let's not open it then. Oh, the other stuff are in nani, in the room. My onesies. Are those shoes?
It's gonna be big boys, by the way.
Yeah, but it's the money at some point.
Yeah. What kind of parents are you gonna be? Manapana niwa Jordan sa mtoto wake o?
Atakuwa anavaa zanapata. Mia kuenea.
Wala hivi hata ibaya kakako. Nikamwaki. No, because I was short. Mimi yeta kwa kabi naniacha. I used to stay with the same thing. Kama nikia mkubwa ikiruhaya mkubwa all the time.
You bought something? I guess I have cake. I might go. Yeah, Mikon. Definitely need one. To make money, yeah.
It's really special.
Kani. So far, I like these ones. We definitely need better ones.
This is it
For now. Ciao.